When it comes to grilling, Weber is a name that stands out for quality and innovation. This Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill, with its 22-inch cooking area and exclusive touch and go gas ignition system, takes charcoal grilling to a whole new level of convenience and performance. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting, this grill promises to make your outdoor cooking experience both enjoyable and effortless. Let's dive into a detailed review of this remarkable grill to see what makes it a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Weber Performer Deluxe is the Touch and Go gas ignition system. This system uses a small propane tank to ignite the charcoal briquettes with the push of a button. Gone are the days of struggling with lighter fluid or endless matches. This feature alone makes lighting your grill quick, easy, and far more efficient. The convenience of gas ignition combined with the flavor of charcoal grilling provides the best of both worlds. The 22-inch diameter porcelain enameled bowl and lid offer a substantial 363 square inches of cooking area. This size is perfect for cooking for a family gathering or a small party. The grill is equipped with Weber's heavy-duty gourmet BBQ system cooking grates. This innovative two-part grate system is designed to be used with Weber's Gourmet BBQ System cookware collection, which includes items like a wok, griddle, and pizza stone. This versatility allows you to expand your grilling repertoire beyond traditional BBQ, making it easier to prepare a wide variety of dishes right on your grill. Weber has thoughtfully included several features to make your grilling experience more convenient. The removable LCD cook timer is one such feature, providing an easy way to keep track of your cooking times. The timer has a large readout and can be attached to the grill or taken with you, ensuring you never overcook your food. Additionally, the built-in lid thermometer helps you monitor the internal temperature of the grill without having to lift the lid. This ensures that your food cooks evenly and to perfection every time. Cleaning up after a BBQ can be a daunting task, but the Weber Performer Deluxe makes it easier with its aluminized steel one-touch cleaning system. This system features a removable, high-capacity aluminum ash catcher that collects all the ash generated during grilling. With a simple slide of the lever, the ash falls into the catcher, which can then be easily removed and emptied. This hassle-free cleanup means you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time dealing with the aftermath. The Weber Performer Deluxe doesn't skimp on storage options. It includes a charbon storage container that keeps your charcoal dry and protected from the elements. This is particularly useful for those who store their grill outdoors. The sturdy painted metal table provides a convenient workspace right next to the grill, perfect for prepping food or holding utensils and ingredients. The grill also features a wire bottom shelf for additional storage, a no-rust aluminum vent, and a glass reinforced nylon handle, all of which contribute to its durability and longevity. The materials used in construction are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that your grill will last for many seasons to come. Setting up a new grill can sometimes be a challenging task, but Weber makes it straightforward with 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free built app. This feature provides step-by-step guidance, making the assembly process smoother and less time-consuming. The Weber Performer Deluxe is not just functional, but also stylish. Its sleek black finish and modern design make it an attractive addition to any patio, balcony, or backyard. Its dimensions, with the lid closed, are 43.5 inches high by 48 inches wide by 30 inches deep, and it weighs 91 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable to move if needed. This grill uses disposable 14.1 or 16.4 ounces LP cylinders, which are sold separately for the gas ignition system. This setup is both practical and efficient, ensuring you have a reliable ignition source without the need for large propane tanks. Conclusion: a must-have for grill enthusiasts. The Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill is a game-changer for anyone who loves the flavor of charcoal-grilled food but wants the convenience of gas ignition. Its innovative features, such as the Touch and Go ignition system, gourmet BBQ system grates, and one-touch cleaning system, make it a versatile and user-friendly option for both novice and experienced grillers. With ample cooking space, convenient storage options, and durable construction, the Weber Performer Deluxe is designed to elevate your grilling experience. Whether you're hosting a family BBQ, cooking a weeknight dinner, or experimenting with new recipes, this grill provides the tools and features you need to achieve delicious results every time. Investing in the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill means embracing the best of both charcoal and gas grilling worlds, ensuring that your outdoor cooking sessions are always a hit. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.